Okay, I'm going to show you a really cool feature. All right, I'm assuming you can get to your dashboard. Then you're going to go to Analytics. Then you're going to go to Revenue. And then what you're going to do is you're going to click on your top videos, or your right here. I'm going to see more. All right, now this is a cool thing you can do. You can come up here to the corner. You see this little, it says compare to? Click this, it opens up a box. And what you can do is you can do a period over period, or you can do a year over year. I'm going to show you a year over year. Let's just check it out. So what it does is it gives you last year here, which I only made $218 that month, and this year, $1,500. So it shows you the difference between two different periods and years. And I think that you can do some like different things with the individual videos here, but pretty cool, isn't it? And I think that you can go playlists, and it shows you your top playlists. This year it's Studio Beta with 100. Last year it was Dutch and his pit bull friends. You can look at subscription status, not subscribed. You can see the difference. You know, I built my YouTube channel up fivefold. You can see the revenue source. You can see dates. You can see the genders, the difference. Viewer ages. It gives you comparisons. And you can see how much is changing of all your demographics. Geography. You can see where it's all coming from. Mostly the United States. And traffic sources. Let you know where, how people find your videos. YouTube search, suggested videos, YouTube search. So now I'm getting more from YouTube search than I am from suggested videos, which is, which is good. And then it just goes back to videos. So this is a cool little feature that they have. Now to get out of it, you just click at the X. Bam, done. So now you have another analytical tool that can help you to decide what you want to do and what you want to put on your channel based on the demographic information and the data that you're receiving from all of your different videos and all of your different parameters. All right, so anyway, another thing you can do, you can go into the compare, and you can look at period over period. So if I look here, this is the present period, and this was the last one. So it gives you the date up here. This one was from May 21st to June 17th. This one's from April 23rd to May 20th. And you can see the difference. So I'm definitely getting better. I'm getting more views. I'm getting more money from the advertisers for specific videos. And it does give you a good way for you to, and you can just pull it up too. You see this here. And as I roll over, it shows the various videos. And what's interesting is you can see, like here, this video here, I made $10 last time. I made $10.17 there. So it just kind of shows you I made $8.60, but here I made $9.60. Let's see the Samsung. You can't see it because it's up here. So here's the difference on that one, installing a Samsung refrigerator, 37 as opposed to 22. So I'm getting better on my how-to videos. And that shows you, what's happening, what your performance is, and what's working. And that's going to help you to determine what type of videos you're going to produce for your channel. As far as monetizing it, I basically want to try to help people to do stuff. When I find something that I can't do, I make a video about it once I figure it out. And then, because I know if I can't figure it out, then the regular guy's not going to be able to figure it out. All right, so if that's another cool feature. To get out, you just click it here. And to find that, you go to see more. All the see mores, it will give you that. So if you go like that, you can do the comparison over here. And then you just pick, period or year over year. You can do videos, you can do groups. So anyway, all right, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos on how to do stuff with YouTube. Peace out.